Hi, this is about me. My name's Damien. I've been involved with the transport industry for the last 20 years. So went into 24 years. Um, I've done work experience and worked full time with J. McPhee and Sons in Brisbane from 1992 until 2003. Then I started at Manly Transport Services in Brisbane from 2003 until May 2016. I have a current HR truck license and a current forklift ticket. I'm reliable and I'm willing to learn. I just hope you can see this video of my skills and abilities, and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.